Hello folks, welcome back. One question I get from new beekeepers quite a bit is, how do I light a smoker, and is there a big difference in smokers since the price range is so huge on them? So let's start off with a little cheap imported smoker like this. I think these run about 10 bucks. A lot of times they come in the starter beehive kits that you get. If you've got one hive or a couple nukes, this is about probably all you really need, but I will tell you, they are hard to keep lit and they don't hold very much fuel. One of the problems I find is the disc that's in the bottom sits so tight against the bottom, air can't get around it. So you take the bottom disc out, first thing you do, bend these tabs all the way up. So when you drop the disc in, it raises it up so air can get underneath it. Again, if you've only got one hive or a couple nukes, yeah, these work okay. I just find that they don't stay lit very well. So that's a low cost option. I really don't recommend them. Then you got this. This is a Kelly's smoke cloud, basically identical to the Dayton smoker. These things are amazing. They're easy to light. They hold a lot of fuel. They burn a long time. This is the Cadillac of smokers. I know there's other good quality smokers out there. Honestly, I can't see it being any better than this. I was amazed. The first one of these I picked up and used, it just was night and day compared to other smokers I've been around. So I'm going to show how I light them. It's pretty quick and easy. A little bit of dry paper and some good fuel. And let's go take a look. It's a little breezy out here today, but I'll show you how to light a smoker. Real easy. Something simple like newsprint, especially the stuff that comes in packing material. Let's light a little bit of it here. Get it down in there. Let it get going here. Wad up another piece, right down on top. There we go. Now, I like to use either really long cut hay or long cut grass. So I keep quite a bit of this around. Nice and dry. In there. Now you got some really good little embers in there. Now you just pack it. Just that fast. I like using grass. I don't think it burns near as hot as wood chips do. The individual pieces that are burning or smoldering are smaller. I just think it burns a little bit cooler than wood chips. You can pack it really good. Done. Just that simple. A good quality smoker goes a long way.